How to change crosshair style in PUBG. Hi everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. If you are playing PUBG and want a crosshair that matches your playstyle, then first of all, launch Open PUBG application on your device and log in. From the home screen or the lobby page, go ahead and tap on the arrow at the bottom right corner. From the expanded menu, click Settings. Inside the Settings menu, go to the Crosshair and Effects button on the right corner. Now here you can go ahead and choose your crosshair style from the right corner. Choose the crosshair style you want for your game, and once you do that, you will be able to change your crosshair style. Choose the one that suits your preference and which will be easier for you to aim next time, and once done, you can head back to the lobby screen and join a game. So that way you will be able to change your crosshair style in PUBG Mobile. A personalized crosshair can really improve your aiming accuracy and overall gameplay. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.